Hello, this is Unit Standard 25070 and it is Book 3. We are dealing with resistivity. What is the length of a 16mm squared hard drawn copper whose resistance is 0.5 ohms? So the information we have, 16mm is A stands for your cross-sectional area. Rho, P, it's hard drawn copper, so we know it is going to be 1.78. And the resistance is given to us as 0.5 ohms. So the solution, resistance is 0.5 ohms, and then the area. The area, it's 16mm squared. So we write that down as 16 times 10 to the minus 6 meters squared. The formula calls for that figure, the cross-sectional area, to be in meters. So to do that, we have to use indices. So because a millimeter is smaller than a meter, it is going to be a minus indice. So 1,000 millimeters times 1,000 millimeters will give us the cubic meter. So we are going to be using 16 multiplied by 10 to the minus 6 meters squared. Rho, because it's hard drawn copper, is 1.78 times 10 to the minus 8. So what we have to do first of all is take the formula and transpose it. The formula is R equals rho times L divided by A. So we put our crosshairs in. L is above the ground. L is therefore in the right place. P must move, or rho must move. A must move. Remember, we want L by itself. So now we have A times R for resistance over rho equals L. Or the other way around, L equals the resistance multiplied by the cross-sectional area divided by rho. Doesn't matter. Okay, let's look at this. Cross-sectional area, 16 millimeters, which we take as 16 times 10 to the minus 6. Hard drawn copper, 1.78 times 10 to the minus 8. And the resistance is given to us 0.5 ohms. Now remember, when we use indices, we have in this case 10 to the minus 6 divided by 10 to the minus 8. That is the same as saying minus 6 minus minus 8. And of course, a minus minus a minus, we change the sign and add. Minus 6 plus 8 equals 2. So we have 0.5 multiplied by 16 divided by 1.78, and that gives us 4.4944. We now reintroduce the indices, which is 10 to the 2, and the decimal point moves in the positive direction 2 places. So 4 point now becomes 449.44, and Again, remember, not apples, not apricots, but meters. You must always state what it is.